There are many different numbers in math, and the way we organize them is through something called number classification. One major group is called real numbers. Every number falls into one of two categories: real numbers or imaginary numbers, which are part of complex numbers. In this video, we'll focus on only real numbers, which make up what we call the real number system. Within the real number system, we have several types of numbers, including natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Today's lesson is all about integers. So, what are integers? Integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. You can think of integers as the numbers that appear on a number line, represent complete units with no fractions or decimals. So, something like this, for instance, we have our number line with our zero, including all of our positive numbers, 1 through positive infinity, and our negative numbers, -1 all the way ongoing, which is indicated by this arrow. And so again, integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. Now let's take a look at some examples. 4, for instance, is an integer because it is a positive whole number. So again, this is a number that would be included on this number line of whole numbers, including positive and negative numbers, and of course our zero. 1/2, for instance, is not an integer because it is a fraction. It's not a whole number. So again, going back to this illustration, our 1/2 would not be included on this number line. -5 is an integer because it is a negative whole number. Again, -5 would be included on this number line of negative whole numbers, along with our positive whole numbers, and then we have our zero, of course. Our final example is 0, and 0 is also an integer, even though it is neither positive nor negative, it is 0, and so that is included on this number line. So 0 is also an integer. Thank you so much for tuning in to this short lesson on integers. I'll see you in the next video as we continue exploring the real number system.